In this video, I want to talk about how you can add a video to Shopify homepage. Now to do this, or to do this with any page, what you want to do is click on your online store, select pages, and then you want to select your homepage here. Obviously, I only have one page, but just select the page you want to do this to, click on it, and then now we need to find our video embed link. To do this, this is how you will do it on a YouTube video. You want to click the share button, select the embed button, and you should get this whole text right here. You want to copy all of it, and then what you want to do is either press here and put it in here, or you can click on insert video and put it in here. Now if this one doesn't work, just press here, try and put it in here, insert video, and then it should be inserted. So try that. This is how it's done for YouTube videos. For other places like TikTok, maybe it might be different, but for most people it's on the share button and then there will be an embed link. Otherwise, there will be a few websites that you can Google, like video to embed, and you just put the link in there and it will give you the embed version. So that is how you can do it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.